Okay, so right now I'm tightening down all the bolts to see if anything's loose. I think I found what it is though. It's right here. Dude, that feels super loose. I think I guess I have to tighten it more. Okay, the problem with this stupid bolt is that there's no clearance. So like, how am I supposed to put a power tool back here? So last time when I did this, I had to use my hands, just strength. I'm tightening it, but since it keeps on getting loose, I think I have to use a power tool, which doesn't make sense because I have no clearance. Thanks, Ford. So even though I found this one that was loose, I'm still checking other bolts just in case. So everything I fucked with, I have to check again. Because for some reason, I didn't have that noise before, like with my stock ones. So yeah, everything should be good right now. Okay, so I found a good opening where this could go in. Hopefully it moves from how much I tightened it. Okay. Nope, it's not even moving. Great. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna use a reverse breaker bar technique. Basically a longer bar. Hopefully it moves a little bit because it's already tightened down with the normal bar. It's working. Yes. Woo! Yeah, that's what I needed. A little bit more because this shit is not getting loose after this. There's no way my car is gonna make scary noises anymore. And since I'm up here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side too. Okay, yeah. All right, I swear to God, if it makes noise after this, yeah, that feels, all right, awesome. All right, this side's done. Yeah, look at that movement. That's what I wanted. Okay, so this side was definitely more tighter, which makes sense because the other side had more noise. Yep, this one's actually pretty good. All right, I'm just gonna check the other bolts and we should be good. Okay, so we figured out the problem. It was just a few loose bolts, not much, but I hope the noise is gone. If it does come back, then that means I'm back on the lift. Hopefully that's not the case. But yeah, it's a quick job. I just got my hands dirty, but nothing I can't handle.
Alright guys, for those of you, los que no me conocen, my name is Salvador, aka Chava, that's why everyone knows me around here. And I drive a 2008 Volkswagen GTI, and yeah, it's been pretty good here. I've been driving legally for about 5 months, but I've been driving con la licencia de Dios since I was like 13, 14. You can say I'm a thug. Funny thing is, you guys might have seen these little seats right here. These are actually my seats that I bought from OMO, and today they're actually going to be going into my car. Fucking shit, man. Pinche madre, siempre con tus pendejadas. Fucking old owner was a stoner ass fool. Fuck it. I'm gonna sell these shit to crackhead. Alright, so right now, I'm just drilling the holes inside of the seat so I could be able to align the rail to the slider. And then from there, just uninstall the stock seat that I have. And then throw in this shit in there. Let's get it.
12 seconds later.
Fuck, man. What the fuck? Fuck it. What the fuck? Oh my god, man.
2,000 years later.
Finally finished installing that driver's side NRG seat. There was some trouble, but we got through it and can't wait to install that passenger side. I'm just waiting on that bracket that's about to come in about 2-3 weeks. Just waiting on that. In the meantime, I'll be driving with the driver's seat, so that's something. I can't wait for that passenger seat.
car still starts amazingly. Kind of surprised. I'm okay with it though. Forgot about this car. It's so pretty. Okay, GTR is parked and aired out. Very nice.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna be remodeling the whole warehouse for a bit. Try to get a little gym going on. As you can see, we got the squat rack already here. And we're gonna try to get a little gym mixed with the game room. So we gotta move everything around. Work on our pecho, our brazos. We gotta work everything, dog. So let's see how that goes.
Hi, so we are getting the space ready for the Primal gaming area, plus our Primal garage area, plus our Primal gym area. So we have to remove all of this stuff, and Rob's on the forklift now. Remove all of this stuff out, move all of that stuff out, move the trailer into this corner, move the Subaru out, and then we'll have this nice long line right here. That way we can actually stack cars, and we can move the cars off of that wall. Once that happens, we can actually put the squat rack, which is this thing, right over there. A lot of work to be done, but we got this. We got this space, we might as well use it. Huh? What's up? This is my date.
I don't know, that's pretty gay, but he's my boss.
All right guys, so right now we're moving out all the pallets so we can just get everything and start organizing everything and putting it back inside, so make it look a little bit nicer. Right now me and Chava are actually, where's Chava? Well, me and Chava are working on getting all them out and just preparing to move the trailer.
No mess. What happened? Here you go.
God damn it.
Oh shit, my spare! I was wondering where. Yeah, I need it for my car.
Did you get hungry?
Dumb. Maybe I did. So these are my 3 cars that I worked super hard for. This is my first car that, well, not my first car, but this is the car that built the channel, the Subaru. Got some plans for this one. This is my childhood car that I wanted really, really bad. And then this one is, this is like the super car that I always wanted when I was playing games when I was younger. Different model, but still a GTR. But this one is 1,000 horse. This one is like questionable, 400 to 500 horsepower, we don't really know. And the Subaru is like pretty much stock, has intake and exhaust and stuff. This one's fully built, and that's definitely fully built. These are my 3 beauties that I really, really enjoy. If I had to sell one, you guys want to hear it? I would probably sell this one. Why? Because it's the most valuable car. If I had to sell it, it means I'm really strapped for cash. I would sell this one. Second car would probably sell that one, but I would never sell that, the Subaru, because it's most reasonable. I can actually keep it and like live in it. Like 4 doors, I can put my daughter in it. I can drive, trunk space, all-wheel drive. It's really reasonable. If I had to, I would. Got some extra support for the hitch because it's kind of sketch. We've never used this tool on the forklift, but I'm kind of excited because I like driving the forklift. So let's see how easy it is to move this big old Bertha back into that little space. All right, guys, I've had some experience since I worked here on this forklift, but I've never moved a trailer. So this is a good feat for me. Like, I'm hyped. I moved it from right here, pulled it out with the help of Mike, and we snaked it in the place almost exactly where we needed it. Damn, I made myself proud. Damn. Here you have it, guys. Pennzoil sent us some oil for our cars, so hopefully we can get all these out done so this can be running safe and nice. I think it has a little bit of low oil, so we'll fix that. The Subi will get an oil change, the GTR, the Civic, Rob Z, the ST, everybody's getting an oil change now. Thank you, Pennzoil.